Hello everyone, myself Aditya Gupta. I am an 18-year-old PCM student and right now I have taken a drop year for preparing J. Well, very different from most of the other students. I knew it from the starting that if I will not engage myself in a hobby, if I will not get myself inclined into learning some things which are non-academic but are interesting for me, then I will probably get burnt out. That's why I was always interested in tech related things, and I have gained a lot of knowledge related to this field of coding, tech, and the list just goes on, even designing to an extent. But it is not about me, it is about the course. So now I will come to the course. Uh, I bought this course recently, probably like 2 or 3 days back, and I have just finished the AI Mastery and Prompt Engineering course. And to be very honest, I loved it. I have always been using GPT and even the new model DeepSeek as well, but I didn't really knew how to write the prompt properly. The list they gave, and it really just works like magic. I tried one or two on Claude and GPT as well, and the other courses. Well, it's like I have just got a jackpot. Like there are other people within our country who are also selling courses, and it's like 2,000, 3,000 just for the basic month stack and all. So in that way, I found this 30 days coding course really good, and I'm just really excited to just finish the courses which are left anyway. So this was it from my side. Thank you.